All right, folks, this is Matthew Joseph. I'm getting ready to do a final walkthrough re-inspection. I just want to show you some of the things that we did relay or put in our report. It was a 21-page report about a couple of months back, and we are now doing the re-inspection. Let's see what the builder has done. I'm going to not try my best not to show who the builder is, as well as the customer information or the address block. Thank you. All right, here we are. The first area that we pointed out was that this walkway was damaged, and therefore it looks like they have taken care of that. And this was another area right here where the water was ponding. The water was ponding, and you can see they came in and did some repairs. There's still a little bit of water ponding over here. You can actually see it. There's still, but it's not as bad. I believe within 24 hours that will drain off. But you can see where they actually redid the concrete because we pointed it out earlier. Now, there was some issues with this garage door, and they came in and replaced this panel completely after we pointed out some issues with that garage. If you look carefully, you'll see that there's a little bit of shade difference in the paint, but it's still good. All right, so I'm going to walk through over here. One of the other things we pointed out was that these weep holes were blocked. Now you can see they're really nicely opened up all the way. All the way the weep holes are taken care of. As we come over here, this was another area. It was flat to negative slope, and they came in and redid this whole area. You can see where they put in the swale. You can see the new fresh sod that's there. So this whole area was redone, regraded, and resodded. You can see some of the remnants of that right there, but if you look carefully, you can see where they redid the grade, redid everything. So that itself, if a homeowner has to do that by themselves, that's a lot of work right there. But we were able to help this customer get this taken care of by the builder themselves. Okay, as you go over here, this whole area had that same issue. The drainage was pretty flat. But they came in, and you can see where they added some new sod to correct the issues that we showed. This whole area in the back was redone for the most part. All right, so I'm going to walk over here. You can see right here they're getting ready for some more sod, I guess. But you can see, if you look carefully, you can see right here where they're redone a lot of the drainage after I pointed it out to you. This is almost a I think it's like a $600,000 home. If you look carefully right here, this whole area was redone. This whole area was redone by the builder after I came through and pointed the issues out. It was flat to negative slope, and you can actually, if you look carefully, you can see a swale right through here. Okay. And back there, I don't know if you see that retaining wall, there was a soil that was almost 1 foot above that retaining wall, and I told them that's not good. That needs to be redone. Either raise the retaining wall up or lower the soil level of the neighbors, and they went ahead and done that. All right, so they did a great job. They extended all the gutters so that all the water can drain about 5 feet away from, you can see every one of those gutter discharge is done beautifully. All right, so let's keep walking around. I mean, this whole backyard, you should have seen what they've done. You can see some of the new sod right here. So all this is new sod. They redid this whole backyard. And this is the advantage of getting RSH Engineering to do the inspections for you. You will get results. Guaranteed you will get results, because I use the building codes to cite in the report. Building codes are regulations, folks. They are regulations. The builders have to meet them. And you see all this area was redone. That's quite a bit of area. Now, can you imagine if this was left the way it was, and say in about a year, 2 years, you start having foundation problems? all right, because the drainage was not correct. I was able to catch this way ahead of time for the homeowner or home buyer and be able to help them out at this stage. So I just wanted to show you how important this inspection is with RSH Engineering. That's a lot of area that they redid. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Even the concrete driveway, the driveway was corrected right over here. You can see where it was flat, and they had to come in and rework that whole area right there. Here's another area right here where the flat work was busted during construction or when they were cleaning it up, and they took care of it. All along here I pointed out that the drainage was pretty flat. Over here it seems a little bit flat, but we'll be keeping an eye on it. This portion right here, you can see the patchwork that has been done over here on this bottom of the brick, the fresh patchwork. Those bricks were sticking out by almost an inch and a half. And they came back and added all this cement, starting right there. It goes all the way there. They added that. Again, try to figure out how much something like this would have cost a homeowner. That would have been quite a bit of money. All right, so RSH Inspections is the smart choice. Y'all need to get hold of us. Tell your family and friends about us. And I already shared the other video from earlier today that I did in the attic. So I hope that this has been beneficial to you. And you can see all the downspout extensions are done right. Okay. I'll walk around one more time to show you all this area. All this grass is new. All this sod is new because it was all improper drainage. It was not meeting the minimum building codes, which is 6-inch drop in 12 feet. 6-inch drop in 15 feet. I take that back, sorry. 6-inch drop in 10 feet. And it was not meeting that over here. And we were able to catch that and take care of it for our customer. So I'm excited about that. He's going to be closing. Customer is going to be closing pretty soon. It's a beautiful home. Beautiful home. And we were able to catch a lot of the drainage issues, which would have cost him tens of thousands of dollars if he had to correct it himself. This is why it took the builder about two months to take care of this. All right, you guys take care. Thank you for. God bless you guys.